A bright smile. Understanding teeth cleaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, teeth cleaning. This phrase is not only used in daily conversation but is also an important part of personal hygiene. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Teeth cleaning refers to the process of removing plaque and tartar from teeth to prevent cavities, gingivitis, and periodontal disease. This is a routine part of dental care, both at home and at the dentist's office. When we say, "I'm going for a teeth cleaning," it usually means a professional cleaning by a dentist or dental hygienist. Maintaining oral health is crucial, and teeth cleaning plays a big role in this. Regular teeth cleaning prevents tooth decay and gum disease, and also helps in keeping your breath fresh. It's recommended to have professional teeth cleaning done every 6 months. You can use this phrase in various contexts. Making an appointment, "I need to schedule a teeth cleaning with my dentist." Personal care routine, "I include teeth cleaning in my morning and night routine." Discussing health, regular teeth cleaning is key to maintaining good oral health. In many English-speaking countries, teeth cleaning is a standard part of healthcare. It's a common topic in conversations about health and hygiene. Understanding this phrase can help you better navigate these discussions. I hope this video helped you understand the phrase, teeth cleaning, and its importance. Remember, a bright smile starts with clean teeth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.